How to glow up in 1 month. What is glow up? Here are some steps you can take to achieve a glow up in 1 month. Skincare. Establish a consistent skincare routine tailored to your skin type. Cleanse, moisturize, tone, and use sunscreen daily. Consider adding treatments like exfoliation or face masks to improve skin texture and brightness. Healthy diet. Focus on eating nutritious foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugar, and caffeine. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Make sure to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Hair care. Take care of your hair by using appropriate products for your hair type. Minimize heat styling and get regular trims to prevent split ends. Exercise. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine to improve your physical health and boost your mood. Aim for a mix of cardio, running, strength training, or flexibility exercises. Fashion. Pay attention to accessories such as jewelry, bags, scarves, and hats. Your hairstyle can significantly impact your overall aesthetic. Experiment with different hairstyles to achieve your desired look. Look for makeup inspiration that aligns with your desired look. Opt for makeup looks to find what enhances your features. Self-care. Prioritize self-care activities like meditation, journaling, or hobbies that help you relax and distress. Getting enough sleep is also crucial for looking and feeling your best. Grooming. Pay attention to grooming habits like maintaining good hygiene, shaping eyebrows, and keeping your nails clean and trimmed. Confidence. Work on building your self-confidence by setting and achieving goals, practicing positive self-talk, and surrounding yourself with supportive people. Practice good posture to appear more confident and poised. This can make a significant difference in how others perceive you.